Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So let me firstly start with the 3 buttons navigation. If you've got one, just find the button with the square icon and tap on it, and then you will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, here we've got the recents. And right now, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps. Just find it and swipe it to the right or to the left. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on this X button, which should appear at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.